Good day, all. My name is Mustafa Disasoli. I want to talk about the challenges in maintaining the life cycle integrity of subsea assets and the role of stakeholders in ensuring the reliability of the assets. So, subsea structure are vital role for offshore oil and gas productions. This is the introduction part. So, uh, subsea infrastructure, including pipeline risers and wellheads, play a crucial role in transporting hydrocarbon from offshore reservoirs to processing facilities. So, ensuring their integrity is essential for safety, efficiency, and sustainability. Proper integrity management prevents the failure that could lead to safety hazards, environmental damage, and cause the operational downtime. So, in addition, it also ensures the compliance with industry regulations and sustainability goals. So, this presentation covers the key lesson learned from subsea integrity challenges, stakeholders' roles, and the best practice. Some of the key integrity issues in subsea structures are listed below. The first one is the material degradation, which include the corrosion, fatigue, and erosions. So the material degradations, subsea structures are constantly exposed to seawater, high pressures, and dynamic loads, leading to material weakening over time. So as I mentioned before, so the corrosion, fatigue, cracking, and sand erosion are major causes of the failure. So the structural failure from high pressure and cyclic loading are shown in the figure here. So offshore assets experience extreme pressure differentials and cyclic stress from waves, currents, and operational activities, which can lead to cracking, buckling, or collapse if not properly managed. So the third one is the inspection and maintenance challenges due to little accessibility. So the deep water environment make inspection very difficult and expensive, which require the ROV and advanced non-destructive testing methods. So the last but not the least, the regulatory compliances complexities. Offshore structure must meet strict international standards and country-specific regulations which evolve over time. So the compliance requires constant monitoring, documentation, and also certification. So role of the stakeholders. Although these stakeholders listed here, they are not all, so I just pick some of the key stakeholders. The operators manage integrity plans and also ensure the compliances. Asset owners, either private or national or international operators, they develop and implement the integrity management programs. They allocate the resources and also ensure compliance with safety and operational regulations. So designers and the engineers, which focus on robust design and material selections. Structural engineers design offshore assets to withstand the harsh conditions by selecting the suitable materials and also optimizing the configuration for durability and reliability. So the regulatory bodies, those people who enforce the safety standards and inspections. So organizations such as the DMV, ISO, which is the International Organization for Standardization, and government agencies like the NUPRC in Nigeria, they set the safety guidelines. They conduct the periodic inspection and also enforce penalties for non-compliances. Also, the inspection and maintenance providers. So they conduct the periodic assessment and repairs. So the third-party service providers, they use the ROV or they use the AUV, which is the autonomous underwater vehicles, and NDT testing to inspect, assess, and also repair the subsea assets to maintain structural integrity. So what are the best practice for integrity management? Some of the best practice are the implement the risk RBI, which is the risk-based inspection and real-time monitoring. So the RBI prioritize the inspection based on the likelihood and consequence of failure, while real-time monitoring provides early warning or potential integrity threats or any like they are that this looks like a proactive measure. So the second one is the use of ROV and NDT for advanced structural assessment, The remotely operated vehicles (ROV) and NDT techniques such as the ultrasonic and magnetic particle testing allow for accurate integrity assessments without requiring asset shutdown, so it minimizes the production deferments. The third one is the follow international standard like the ISO and DMV. So adhering to global industry standard ensure best practices in design, maintenance, and operational safety while reducing the risk and improving regulatory compliances. So also apply data-driven decision making for predictive maintenance. So integrity management software and digital twins analyze historical and real-time data to predict potential failure and optimize maintenance schedule. So in conclusion, these are the conclusion and recommendations. So stakeholder collaboration is key in ensuring structural reliability. That means effective integrity management requires coordination among the operators, engineers, regulators, and service providers to address risk and maintain asset performance. Also, adopting best practice reduces risk and extends asset life. Proactive monitoring, advanced inspection techniques, as I have been mentioning before, and also an adherence to standards adherence to standards help prevent failure and prolong the operational life of subsea structures. So, the last but not the least, continuous monitoring and adherence to global standards enhance offshore safety and sustainability. So regular integrity assessment and compliance with international regulations improve operational safety, environmental protection, and overall offshore industry sustainability. So that is all from my end. Thanks for listening.